On the 27th of December, 2025, police were called to Walmart after employees discovered a shoplifting incident. Upon arrival, they saw a woman pushing a shopping cart full of items and having already completed the checkout process. This immediately aroused suspicion. Why was she being considered a shoplifter even though she had paid? The employees quickly explained that the woman had tampered with the price tags, making expensive items appear as cheap goods, some even as low as $1. Thanks to the system and live surveillance, the fraud was quickly detected. As soon as she passed the final checkout point, her actions constituted shoplifting. Without a doubt, the police intervened and proceeded with the arrest.
This is Sergeant Allen. I'm working an off-duty assignment at Walmart located at 1550 South Valley. Contacted by Loss Prevention Officer Araceli Perez. She had observed a female switching tags on items in the store and continued to monitor the person. You already have the register pulled up or what?
Yeah. So whatever like brings up is a pair of leggings. That's
probably that big toy or what? Is that Fisher Price or something? She looked right at us. Looked right at the camera.
It's in her the stickers in it.
That yellow one?
Yeah.
Red up as leggings?
Yeah, it came out as a girl's swimwear, but it's for $1.
They look like more than one item.
Yeah. It rung up two items. She switched that one too.
She switched that one?
Yeah. It's you know those Polaroid cameras?
Uh-huh.
It came up as a tape measure.
Well, that one right there is $24 or $28.96. That one right there. Yep, yep. So she's over. Oh, she didn't pay for that one either. She's going to jail. Oh yeah, it's gonna be way over $20. It's gonna make us run? Nope.
Nah, she's chilling.
Let's go inside the office.
I'll pay for it. I mean, you had already crossed the final point of sale, so.
Realizing she was about to be arrested, the woman quickly realized she had money and was willing to pay for everything. But to the police, that was meaningless. From the moment she passed the final checkout counter, the fraudulent act constituted theft. Any justification at this point became meaningless and could not change the outcome.
Go and have a seat over there on the bench.
I saw you.
Have a seat on the bench right there.
I promise you I didn't know I can pay for it right now. I
Okay.
have the money.
Go and put your hands on your back.
Okay, I have the money though, sir.
Okay, I already gave you 3 commands,
Okay.
and you're not listening, right?
I'm sorry about that, but I have
So-
the money now and I didn't know. I saw you pull out the tag and you put it
Okay, put your other hand behind your back.
I know, but I can pay for it. You already passed the final point. But I paid.
I'm gonna put this money in your front pocket.
I
Okay?
can pay for it though,
We'll have a
sir.
seat.
Can we just, it's just,
Sit down.
ow, ow, ow. Do you have your receipt then? Yeah, I do have my receipt. I think I do it somewhere.
789. So do I have a female detained? What's your name?
It's Perla Garcia.
It's what is it?
It's Perla Garcia.
Perla Garcia.
I
Okay.
really can't have no contact.
So Miss Garcia, before I talk to you, I gotta read what's called your Miranda warnings.
I
Okay.
can pay for it, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Just
Well,
my
listen.
son and-
Let me talk. Okay. You said yes. Okay. So what's going on? Why are we stealing today?
It was Christmas and I wanted to get my son something.
Okay. Where's your son at right now?
He was over there with my sister right now.
She's with your sister. Okay. How old is your son?
He's just one. It was his
One.
first Christmas, you know, and I'm sorry.
Are you working?
No, not right now, but I'm gonna start school tomorrow and I was just trying to do something for him because I felt so bad, but I can pay for it.
So you commit a crime to do something good for somebody?
I mean, it's not, I wasn't trying to do it on purpose, you know, like.
Well, you did do it on purpose.
I understand, sir.
You
They
just put
shouldn't
tags
have-
on there
and
when they
shouldn't
weren't
have done
there.
that. I'm
Okay.
sorry, it was just trying.
So what items did you not pay for? The jacket? Is there anything else?
No, I didn't know. I didn't drink anything else. It was that little toy right there.
There's more than that.
I can't get my receipt.
Where's it at?
I'm pretty sure it's in my pocket.
Can I pull it out of there?
It's not in that one. It's not in that one, sir.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have it on me.
You don't have an ID? How come you don't have an ID?
Because it's in the car.
Are you here with somebody in the car?
No.
You're by yourself?
I can pay for it all, sir.
One by name and DOB?
And I won't come back, sir, like I promised.
We'll get to that. We'll get to that. How'd you get here right now?
I drove.
You drove? Where's your keys at?
I don't have it. Well, I mean, I came with somebody.
So you're lying to me now?
I'm not lying to you, sir. I was saying.
Because I asked you that earlier. And you lied to me.
Well,
That's how many times have you lied to
I'm
me?
just nervous.
I get it, but how many times have you lied to me already?
Continuously pleading, crying, and offering various reasons for leniency, all seemed unable to change the situation. Throughout her employment, she had repeatedly been dishonest, almost completely eroding the officer's trust. And in such situations, honesty is sometimes the only chance for leniency, but she missed it. Immediately afterward, the woman continued to plead, claiming it was her first offense and promising to pay in full and never repeat it. However, the officer frankly explained, having the money to pay after being caught does not change the nature of the crime.
Well, here's the thing. When somebody, listen, let me say something, okay? When people aren't truthful, do they get breaks? They don't get breaks, right? They end up going to jail. That's why I'm asking you that. I'm giving you a chance. That's why I asked you again. And you initially lied again. And then.
Because I'm just really nervous, but I need to pick up my son.
Well, you're under arrest right now for shoplifting, okay? You're gonna go to jail.
No, please no, sir.
Well, you gotta learn it. You gotta learn your lesson.
I swear I can pay for it.
You gotta learn your lesson.
I can pay for it, sir. Like, I have the money.
Yeah.
Please, I won't ever come back here ever again. I was just trying to do it for myself.
I'm gonna tell you something, Miss Garcia. When you lie to me,
I won't lie to you about anything. I can give you information, something, please, sir.
No, you're not an informant. I'm not asking you about stuff like that. All right.
Please don't let my son. I just want my son back. Please, please.
Well, you'll be out tomorrow.
I won't do.
Why not? Why won't you be out tomorrow?
Please.
Well, you shouldn't be stealing.
I wasn't trying to steal. I was just.
Here's the thing. At this Walmart. Here, I'm gonna tell you something, okay? At this Walmart, you steal, you're gonna go to jail, right?
But I'm telling you,
that's what we get paid to do.
Doors, though. I didn't walk out the doors. I can still pay for it, sir. Please give me a chance.
If you would have paid for it, you would have paid for it earlier.
I know, sir, but I was just trying to save some money, like. Please, sir, I'll pay for it. I can pay for it right now, all of it. I can pay for everything.
It doesn't work that way.
But why? If I haven't.
It's like if somebody killed somebody and they said, "Well, I'll let him live." No, it doesn't work that way.
Out the door, sir. Please give me some mercy.
When you pass the point of sales, that's those like scanner bars right there.
I haven't walked out the door, sir.
You don't have to. All you got to do is pass right there.
Please, sir, just give me a chance. Please, I can pay for it. Just one chance, sir, please.
Here's the thing, Miss Garcia. You haven't followed my instructions from the beginning.
I have to pick up my son right now.
You haven't followed my instructions, right? And you lied to me.
I'm just so nervous.
Multiple times.
Please, sir, please give me a try. Please, please, sir, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm really begging you. I just got my
it doesn't work that way.
I'm just got my son back, sir. I'm just starting school soon. I was just trying to do the right thing for I know it's not the right thing, but I was trying to get my son a toy because he didn't get nothing for Christmas and I don't have
a 1-year-old, you could have went down to Savers and got a used toy, a dinosaur or something like that for nothing.
But I felt bad, like.
Did you refund the money?
No.
Because she's not going to be able to take all that stuff. You're going to have to refund it. Well, here's the thing. You are going to go to jail, okay? But listen, here's the thing. Listen, if you stop all the drama.
I don't want to go to jail, sir. to pick up my son right now.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
So how am I gonna? Who's gonna get my son? I don't
Well, you said she's
know.
with her sister,
I
so.
don't have nobody to call. She has to go to work tomorrow.
Okay, do you want to call her?
I don't know her number by memory.
You probably have it in your phone.
It doesn't work. That phone doesn't work.
What's wrong with it?
I was trying to sell it at the ATM. It doesn't turn on its Google lock.
So this isn't your phone, or
It
what?
is my phone. It's just Google locked. I don't remember the Google to it.
Okay.
Please, sir, just give me one break. I'm begging you. I'll do anything. Please, I just need to pick up my son. I know I shouldn't have been doing that. You're right. And I was just desperate because my son hasn't had a Christmas and I felt so bad. I thought maybe if I got him a toy, like times have just been really hard. I don't have nowhere to be. I've tried my hardest to maintain my son.
Well, there's 3 items. The jacket for $25.98. A Fisher Price, that push toy, is $28.96. And then you have an Insta camera. It's pretty expensive, $92.48. That Insta camera.
But I can pay for it.
That totaled out to $147.42.
I can
So
pay for it.
I'm gonna
sir.
tell you it's not like a $20 bill.
But I'm telling you, I can pay for it right now.
How?
I can pay for it. I have the money to pay for it.
Where
You
is
give
it at?
me the refund, and I can go to the car. I can pay for it. You could walk me to the car, and I can pay for it.
It doesn't
sir.
work that way.
I promise you, please, sir. I'm begging you.
Sit back down. That's even worse.
But it's because I
Don't
have
stop.
to pick up
No,
my son.
stop. Stop the drama. That's not gonna change anything. It doesn't work that way. All right?
You're right.
Don't. It doesn't work that way. It does not work that way. Okay? So stop it. You're an adult. You knew what you were doing. You knew the consequences that could happen if you got caught. Yes, you
I
did.
know, but
You knew the consequences.
I thought though that if I could pay for it, it would be fine.
No, it doesn't work that way.
I can pay for it, sir. I will.
Well, you can go to some other place and buy that stuff.
Please,
But you're not gonna
sir,
buy it
my
from here right
son,
now.
my son,
It doesn't work that
please,
way.
I just-
Here's the thing. When you steal from Walmart, they don't let you pay for the stuff.
Okay.
Doesn't work that way.
But I didn't take it. I didn't walk out the doors.
You don't have to walk out those doors. The minute you pass those scanners,
But I didn't leave
That's
the
it.
premises.
okay, get an attorney and tell the attorney that. I'm telling you that you don't have to go out the front doors.
My son,
You don't have to.
can you just
Once you pass the points of sale, which is over there and right here, that's it. Listen, what did I already tell you?
You said you would help me.
You're trying to give me all these excuses,
It's not an excuse.
and no, and that's BS. All right?
No, I have to get my son.
Yeah, I doubt it.
You don't doubt it? I have
What's the number?
I don't
What's
know.
the address? Where's your son at?
I don't know the address.
Yeah, see, that
I
doesn't
don't
fly.
know the address by memory because she keeps moving.
So she must be able to take care of him then.
She's 30-something. She's 39.
Okay.
Her name is Victoria Delgado. My son.
So you don't know where your son's at right now.
I do know where he's at. I just can't tell you the exact street because I don't know my streets by memory. But I can tell you.
But
if I
you're an
get
adult.
there. I've never known.
I'm gonna count it right now. So it's 27.91, 25, 26, 27, 25, 75, 85, 95. So they gave you some extra pennies.
So I'm gonna have you sign a paper. It's basically notifying you that you are trespassed from Walmart for 2 years.
Okay, stand up.
No, please don't take me to jail, sir. Please.
Stand up. Let's go. Okay, look. There's nothing in there, right? You
I
see
have
that?
to pick up my
Sit down.
son, sir. Please, sir. Please, I'm begging
Sit down.
you. I'm begging you, please.
Ultimately, the woman was banned from returning to Walmart for 2 years and charged with shoplifting. What about you? What do you think about this situation? Should we be empathetic because she has a young child waiting? Or should we be firm like the police officer, putting the law first? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.